Hello angels, welcome back to my channel Unboxing Smiles, and today I am going to review a product of a brand called Plum. Now I'm pretty much sure that many people have used this brand and they have used or they might be using this product called Plum Body Butter. Now there are very few Indian companies who actually manufacture body butters, so I gave this product a try. Now I have been using this product for quite a month now, so I thought it's a correct time to share my reviews and my thoughts, my opinions about this product to you all lovely people. So to know my experience about this product, do keep on watching this video till the end. Now let's start with the packaging of the product first. So to start with, this body butter comes in a very simple and decent packaging with a transparent tub and with a white solid screw cap on the top, as you can see. Now there is another transparent spill-proof lid inside for added safety. Now the tub is quite sturdy and doesn't compress easily, as you can see. Hence, if you tighten the lid properly, you can easily travel with this product. I'm sure about that. Now let's come to the fragrance of the body butter, which is really important part of any body butter. So yes, it literally smells like the creamy vanilla fudge. As you already know, I'm sorry I didn't let you know still now that the fragrance here is of vanilla and fig. Yes, so I don't know how much of fig, but at least it smells literally of vanilla fudge and you would like to eat it away as soon as you see the product. Now coming to the consistency of this product, it has a kind of creamy and velvety kind of a texture. If I apply it, let me show you. It has a velvety and creamy kind of a texture. It will really make your skin feel smooth. It's kind of you may say moderate to thick consistency. This product is not at all sticky or greasy. You will really feel that soothing sensation once you apply this product. I usually use this product after shower, and mostly it is a must for me to apply this product before going to sleep. Now the reason why I use this product before going to sleep is that I really want a soft and supple skin in the morning. I really hate rough skin in the morning or maybe any time of the day or night. Rough skin is not at all desirable for any one of us, I believe. Now it does take a minute of time of massaging this product on your skin before this product actually gets absorbed in your skin. Now this body butter actually makes my skin look velvety, soft and smooth. My skin looks hydrated and yet my skin doesn't look shiny or oily. Basically this product gives a matte finish to your skin, yet your skin will look much more healthier and plumpy. However, this product doesn't have any kind of brightening effect on your skin. Also, this product doesn't have any SPF in it, so I prefer to use this product at night before going to sleep. However, you can use it during the day as well. It's totally up to you. I'm absolutely in love with this product these days, and as you can see how much I have used this, I am continuously using this product since I bought it. Now the price of this product is rupees 450 of 200 gram. Let me just quickly list up the pros and cons of the product. As you already know, whenever I review any product, I really like to give the pros as well as cons in front of you to let you judge whether the product will be a good suit for your skin or not, because it is a very good suit for mine, but skin really varies from people to people. So I would like to list up the things which I really like in this product and the things which I don't like in this product, so that you yourself can judge out whether this product will be a match for your skin or not. So let's proceed. The very first pros is that I really love the packaging of this. It's a transparent and a sturdy tough packaging, which I really like. Secondly, the body butter smells amazing, just like the vanilla fudge. Thirdly, this body butter moisturizes your skin well without leaving your skin oily or greasy. Fourth point is that after using this product, my skin really looks healthy and nourished. The fifth good point about this product is that it is really affordable compared to other body butters available in the market. The sixth good point about this product is that, as Plum claims, its product is free of any kind of SLS, parabens, phthalates, or any sort of animal derived contents. So yes, therefore this product is cruelty free, and I really look forward for using more products of this brand. So yes. Now coming to the cons of this product, the only con which I found, or which I think is a con, is that it doesn't contain any kind of SPF. If there would have been any SPF in this product, then I would have also used this product during the daytime, which I don't use currently. I use it at night. I think so. This is the third time I'm telling you. So yes. Now coming to the rating of this product, as per my rate, out of 5, I will give this product 4.5. 0.5 deducted because of the SPF part. Apart from that, I totally love this product. It's really a good product, good affordable product in the market right now. So yes. Now lastly, I think I would really like to bring to your notice a very important thing of this product is that due to the high concentration of natural actives in this product, you may see a slight variation of the color. It may be slightly dark or light color. It may vary sometimes, but that is totally okay. That is totally fine. It will not affect or not hamper the performance of this product in any way. I mean literally in any way. It won't affect the performance of this product. So if you find any light color or dark color variation inside the product, if you see it, then it's totally natural. Don't scare away. Don't get scared. So that's all for today's video. If you really love this review, then don't forget to hit that like button. You already know what to do. You have to subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet. Please do it, and yes, I shall see you in my next video soon. Till then, take care.